global role of sustainable influencers regarding its function of key retailers in France. How we did this label, this new label, we
decided to create this label with Thomas and his teams to shape a global reference that could be used across the industry.
The challenge that we were facing is how we could make the label, which is sufficiently simple to embark the different brands, but is also sufficiently demanding to really deal with all the aspects, all the dimensions of sustainability, both societal, environmental, and social issues. The first thing that we did is how we set the framework and work with the criteria. We also worked on to define the scoring system. So the scoring system was quite also simple, is from 0 to 2, is 0 from each of the 22 criteria. If you do anything on it, if you don't, it's 0. If you do it partially, which means on part of your products, then it's 1. And if you have a global and exhaustive policy on the criteria, on the issue, then you have 2 points. Also to see how high we go, in fact, we did a first analysis on 200 brands, which were representing all the universe of the 3 categories that was concerned, which is fashion, cosmetic, and furnishing. We co-design, we co-build, and we co-validate this work and this framework and this scoring system with a panel of both very committed brands and experts. And then finally, we launched this label, which is as for now around 400 brands, something like that. It's a label which is based, which is supported by existing labels when it exists. These are the 4 pillars, the 9 issues, and there is 22 criteria, which are declining this 9 issues.
In September 2021, we launched the 7th Ciel, the largest space dedicated to circular economy in France, but also in Europe, where under one roof, 1,050 square meters, we divided 3 different types of approach. We launched a completely verticalized second-hand offer, where people could bring in their products and services that we sell, and then the cycle of conference and upcycling. So today we keep animating a community of community brands and sharing good practices, because we realized that since most brands are competitors, they needed a neutral space where they could share initiatives. The second dimension is to co-create with brands sustainable approach. When they don't know how to do something, we can co-create with them and explain based on a learning curve. The third is for private label. We're launching a new private label in September, where we're going one step further, that is completely respecting all the new sets of criteria we have identified. The ultimate goal is actually to expand the label and the brand community to all our brands. We carry roughly 3,000 brands, and the objective is that ideally in 10 years the label is no longer necessary, because everyone has integrated these dimensions.